Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic features in our solar system, capturing the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. These stunning rings are slowly disappearing. In today's video, we will dive into the science behind Saturn's vanishing rings and why in distant future they may gone forever. So how do we learn about Saturn's rings are fading away? NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn for over 13 years, gave us a wealth of information about planet and its ring. One of its key discoveries was the process known as ring rain. Ring rain happens when particles from Saturn's rings are pulled in by planet's gravity and its magnetic field. These rings are primarily made up of ice and dust, which over time become charged by sunlight or hit by tiny meteoroids. Once charged, these particles get drawn into Saturn's upper atmosphere, where they disintegrate. This process causes the rings to slowly but surely disappear. In fact, scientists estimate that Saturn's rings are losing several tons of material every second, and that is about 100 to 300 million years the rings could vanish entirely. But how do we know this? In its final orbit, it gave us direct measurement, allowing scientists to measure the amount of materials falling into the planet. This was crucial for understanding the long-term fate of these rings. While this may sound alarming, Saturn's rings are a relatively young feature in our solar system. They are estimated to be only around 100 to 200 million years old, which is very recent when you consider that Saturn itself is over 4.5 billion years old. So what does this mean for the future of Saturn and its rings? It's important to remember that these rings are not a permanent feature, meaning they have appeared only relatively recently in this planet's history and they won't last forever. In fact, Saturn may have gone through periods of having and losing rings throughout its life. Scientists believe that these rings may have formed from the remnants of a destroyed moon or possibly a comet that came too close to Saturn and was torn apart by this planet's gravitational force. Over time, the icy debris formed the stunning rings we see today. But this process is reversible. Just as Saturn may have gained rings in the past, it could lose them and potentially form new rings in the distant future. This is a part of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. So while the rings are disappearing, Saturn's story isn't over. This is all part of natural evolution of planetary system. Saturn without ring may seem unimaginable to us today, but future generation of astronomers will witness a very different Saturn. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more incredible space discoveries like this.